Work. TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good afternoon, folks. Steve Rhodes coming to you live from sunny Delray Beach, Florida. This is your 1 p.m. update. Currently, we've got all the indices trading to the downside in the red. The Dow's off 783, the S&P 1.25, the Nasdaq down 639 points. That's 5% to the downside. Semis down nearly 6%, 138 bucks. Okay, so what does all that mean? That is trading lower. You and I have got to go find support. So to do that, let's begin by taking a look at our TAS market profiles. There are new profiles that have formed in both the NQ and the ES Mini. And what that tells us now, these are attempting to form. They may not form at day's end, but what I can share with you is as of 1 o'clock in the afternoon, they are trying to take hold. So what does that mean? Well, they help us to identify support and resistance. So the number to be watching today, at least as of this moment, you'll have to subscribe to the newsletter or tune back in tomorrow for the show to see if these profiles have taken hold. But the bottom of that daily profile in the ES Mini, it's a bullish structured profile, is 3472. We're 20 points below that right now. Again, it doesn't necessarily matter where we're trading at 101. It matters where we're trading when the futures contract comes to a close. But watch 3472. Now, if there's a close below that, it's a signal of a potential change in trend. In the case of the Dow, it has a new profile that's attempting to form. It's neither bullish nor bearish in structure. It's really it's the center of the box is truly in the center of that profile. Nonetheless, support is 11,842. That's the number you're going to want to watch there. Now, the only equity future contract that is not trading below currently a daily profile level is the Dow. Very interesting. Very interesting markets. That key level of support to be watching is 27,997. Why are these profile levels so important? Well, all you have to really do is just take a look at how price has responded to them in the past. And what you focus on here is the very left-hand upper quadrant. This is the NQ. And as you take a look at the NQ, you'll see that many pullbacks have been attempted. And each of those pullbacks, I'll give you an example. One back here on June the 11th, looked like it might have been the end of the world. All price was doing by day's end was testing the bottom of that profile. We've seen this play out several times. The question is, will this occur this time too? I don't know the answer to that question. But if you tune in tomorrow, or your newsletter subscriber, you'll know tonight. 11,841. That's the number to be watching. Stay tuned for the Trader's Edge show if you're off to start your Thursday. Have a thirsty one, and we'll see you soon.